Can you spot which of these two stores took 5 days to build and which one took just 2 minutes? Both have everything you need: landing page, payments, custom design, custom domain, features, benefits, reviews, about us, terms, policy page, SEO listing page, and blog page. But one was built on expensive Shopify, costing $1,000 a year in subscription fees. The other, no subscription fees, and you own the code. Let me show you how this new app is disrupting e-commerce in 2025. Build in minutes, not days. Now, just a quick FYI, I've made over $275,000 selling the product shown at the start of this video. In just a couple of minutes, I'm going to show you how I built this exact site. It is ready to use, even so much that if I click the buy now button, we can buy the product. So if I scroll down through the different sections, you can take a quick look. So we've got our hero section, we have our features section, we have a benefits section. We also have a reviews section. This is a product. We have the about section, FAQ, and then further down we have the footer with all of our links, quick links, legal, and also the connect with us, all the socials. If we click on blog, this is where our blog listing will appear, and I'm going to show you how to generate new blogs automatically. But if we take a look at the first one, which is generated with the site, and here it is, not going to go through it, but as you can see, everything you need for your e-commerce store is available and done straight out of the box in about 2 minutes. So this is getpage.site. I'm just going to log in and then we're going to quickly build this. Once you log in, click on build a store. First, we want to check our language. So you can do it in English, French, and Spanish. I'll go with English. What's the main heading for the store? So for this one, I'm going to call it photo shoot. Next, what's your online store hero statement? So I'll go with something like get the ultimate product photography light box. And you can see there's some sort of tips down the bottom to help you get through each section to provide the system what it expects. So next, we'll go with 3 key features. I've got USB powered, dimmable, and portable. Next, we put in our benefits. So we've got enhanced images. These products do enhance images. They save time and they boost sales. So these are good benefits. Next, would you like to include an FAQ? Yes, I would. What is the contact email? Contact email is admin@photoshoot.site. What is the buy now button? So this is a payment link from Stripe. So if you're selling whichever product it is, generate a payment link for it. And this is where you paste it. Once that's done, all you have to do is press submit, and that is it. And that's it. Our site is built, our links work, our menus, our blogs, everything, we're done. But what I'm going to show you now is how to generate more traffic to the site by using the automated blog integration. All right, so I've just gone down to the footer here. We're going to click on blog. This is our blog listing page. When I add new blogs, they're going to start appearing here and filling out this listing. For now, we can just click on read more. This is our default blog. If I want to generate new blogs around this product photography niche, I probably want to use product photography as one of the keywords. So to generate these new ones, I'm just going across to Sigma SEO, and to get some ideas, and there's a few different ways you can do that, but I'm just going to do the quickest one for today. I'm going to click on PSEO. I'm going to put in this term here, product photography for, and what it's going to do, it's going to generate 50 ideas for product photography for, and this is using sort of programmatic SEO. Now, as you can see, what it's come back with is product photography for e-commerce, webshop, social media, the list goes on. Why don't I do this one for starters, just to show you how this works. If I go back to Stealth and we use this as our blog title, we'll stay with English. I'm going to go in a professional tone, 750 words, US Canada is our region, product photography, making sure we get that keyword in there. Everything else is looking okay. So hit submit. All right, so our blog's been generated. Let's just assume it's amazing and it's going to rank really well. We want to get it over onto our site. Pretty easy. We just click post. Now, halfway through, it says, would you like to update the blog listing? Highly recommend you press OK every time, and it's going to do that. Now we can take a look, probably in about 30 seconds. Okay, so we get the notification the blog listing has been updated successfully. So I'll give this a quick refresh and see what happens. Here we are. So this is the one we've just generated. So we want to take a look at this new one, product photography for jewelry. Read more. There it is, complete with image. You've got your H1, H2, H3 lists, etc. So there is a better alternative to Shopify out there. It's GetPage. I hope I've been able to demonstrate that you can generate a really good e-commerce store very quickly. And using SigmaSEO.io, you can then also generate blogs for that organic traffic. Now, at the very start of the video, I did promise that I would show you where I sourced my product that I generated over $275,000. Well, here it is. This is the secret site. It's sunsky.online, and you can actually buy this product for $14. I've sold it anywhere sort of in US dollar terms between 89 US and 149 US over a couple of year period. It's done exceptionally well. If you would like to see how to add your custom domain, modify your site, any of that kind of thing, check out these videos here.